How to change Siri voice on any iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to find the Siri option and tap on it. This section lets you manage all the settings related to Apple's intelligent assistant. Inside the Siri settings, tap on Voice. Under the Variations section, you can choose from different accents such as American, Australian, or British. In this case, select Australian. Below each variation, you can also select from different numbered voices to hear a preview. Then, tap on the voice you would like to choose. The check mark will move, confirming your selection. You can then go back to the Siri settings page, where you will see the new voice has been applied. Following these steps, you can easily change Siri's voice on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.